South Shore Chamber of Commerce, and we'd like to repeat our concerns about this proposal in terms of what it does to the regional economic development, as well as the personal inconvenience which you're going to hear about from a lot of the users tonight. The South Shore is poised to be one of the fastest growing regions in New England. A lot of that growth is going to be spurred on because of the transit-oriented development we have going on from Quincy down to Plymouth. This advances state policies of making housing more affordable around the state by moving housing development outside the core city. The way to do that in a way that is sensitive to people's housing price needs, to be sensitive to the environment, and to spur on economic development is by leveraging mass transit. The South Shore is doing more than its fair share, and we see that very clearly at Hingham Shipyard. You're going to see it, I think, in a few years very clearly in Quincy, and we're seeing it with rail down at Southfield and in the Quincy Center development. So as we look at these proposals, we really have false choices. I understand the T has to look at the cost of commuting and your funding sources, but really we're advancing state policies, and the solution to the funding has to come from areas outside of the T and fares. You have to look at those other state policies on environmental issues and housing issues and economic development, because we are doing that here in the South Shore, and these proposals, even the suggestion, start to stifle that development growth for the next 20 years here. So we hope you'll look for those other sources in the business.